What is going on, guys? Alright, we're going to be talking about a very, very popular topic, and that is about YouTube. How much do small YouTubers honestly make? So, for me, I've been posting videos almost daily, every single day. At the point of this video, I have not even 1,000 subscribers. I have 646, which, I'm so happy about. So happy. But I post a video every day, which takes me around an hour or two per day. So if that's, say, it's 2 hours a day, okay? And I make a video every day, which I do. So that is roughly 60 hours a month that I'm putting time and effort, for YouTube. And how much money do I make? And that is zero. I don't make any money from YouTube. And the reason why I don't is because in order to get AdSense, which is the pretty much how you monetize your videos to make money, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. So I am nearing that 1,000 subscribers mark, and I've been doing this for almost coming up to a year, probably like 7 months. My channel has slowly been growing, which I'm so happy about. But if you guys are doing YouTube strictly for the money, you guys should not be doing YouTube, because it's gonna take you, like me, it's gonna be taking me a year to hit all those marks, and then I will make money. Compared to if you got a normal job, you work 60 hours a month, you multiply that by 10, that's $600 a month that you could easily make. And the income varies. So obviously, if you guys start a YouTube channel, you guys could blow up and just be super successful and just make a ton of money. But for me, the channel topic that I'm talking about is investing in your money, so it's a little different. Obviously I'm going to start doing more vlogs and different types of videos for you guys, just to kind of diversify my channel. But realistically, my channel is about investing in the stock market and money management. So it definitely varies. This past month I've had over 100,000 minutes watched, 173,000 minutes watched. So right there, that definitely helped so much. But I've only gotten like 200 or 300 subscribers, so I'm not near that 1,000 subscriber mark. Each month and week I set goals to help hit those marks, because I want to see myself, I can see myself doing YouTube. And the biggest thing for me as well is to create passive income. So YouTube is a great way to do that. Even if I make $50 or $10 a month, it's better than nothing. And I'm gonna enjoy doing it rather than hating my job and doing all that other stuff. So pretty much most small YouTubers don't make a whole lot of money. They do it kind of on the side until their channel gets bigger, and then if not, it just dies out. Because the biggest thing about making videos is consistency. So that's why I make a video every day. Just because if I don't, then you're not going to be relevant on YouTube. So that's pretty much how much money I make. It's $0. I make more money from my podcast per month than my YouTube videos, and it's pretty crazy, because I just started my podcast in January and I'm almost at $45 for the month, which is insane. It blew up like crazy, and I'm getting sponsorships and deals with companies. And YouTube, I've been putting in work, time, and everything, but it just has not worked out for me. So that is it though. That's how much money I make as a YouTuber. It's not a whole lot, but I'm thankful for my subscribers, because I want to start having courses and all this other fun stuff for my viewers. But you know, that's why you always got to build up your subscribers. So you know, that is it though. That is how much money small YouTubers make. And honestly, small YouTubers that have, you know, 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers only make, you know, $100 or $200 a month on a good month. So realistically, if you have, you know, 30 or 40 or 50,000 subscribers, that's when you start making a lot more money, maybe around $1,000 a month or more. And that's when you can start looking at YouTube as a full-time job. But yeah, so that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a quick video just telling you guys how much money I make on YouTubers and how much money small YouTubers honestly make. It's not a whole lot, but you always got to start somewhere and you have to realize that. But yeah, so that is it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Take care, and we'll see you guys later.